Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on Mubert AI Music Generator, where you can create professional quality music in just 3 clicks. Let's dive into the process. When you land on Mubert's AI homepage, the first step is to click on Generate a Track Now. You'll find the link conveniently placed in the description below this video, directing you to the platform. Now, onto the 3 simple steps. First, enter your prompt or title. This can be anything you like. For example, let's use Heaven on Earth as our prompt. Next, select your preferred track type. Here you have some choices like loop, mix, and jingle. Now choose a genre for your music. Here you have variety of choices such as ambient, disco, folk, industrial, techno, and more. For a chill vibe, let's select ambient. With your prompt entered and track type selected, it's time to set the duration of your track. This can be easily done by choosing a time frame. For our example, let's go with 45 seconds. Now click on Generate Track and let Mubert work its magic. In just a few seconds, your track will be ready. You can listen to the result, and if satisfied, download it instantly. If you want similar tracks, you can click on Generate Similar. If not satisfied, you also have the option to delete the track. The interface displays the details of the track, including the yoner, bass, and other instruments used. You can listen to the track again to ensure it meets your expectations. Mubert enables you to generate as many tracks as you like in just seconds. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link in the description to try Mubert AI for free.